Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the paint roller or format painter. You can see the icon over here that says paint format. Now, what does this mean is that I have done special editing or custom to these cells that I've highlighted. Okay, so it has a special color, it has a special font, size, bold, the borders, and everything. Now, what if I want to apply this font or this custom settings to all other of my sheets? What I'm going to do is, let's say I want to select this font and I click on it and I click on paint ruler. As soon as I do it and I select the other cell where I want it to be implemented, and you can see how it automatically changes. Similarly, if I want to implement this thing, I again click on it, I click on the paint format, and if I want to just drag and drop, so all the other cells are going to be done accordingly. So as you see, it doesn't work for the second time. So you have to do it in one go, and you just click on the paint format and just you just drag and drop. So the format will be applied to all of it. All right.